Hi guys, so naluto na yung mga food namin. So ito yung handa namin. We have these crabs, screams, shells, tuna, lumpia, and this lechon. We have this cake. So masarap ng cake na to guys, no? Special yan. Yan, Happy New Year. Yung fruit. Yan guys, so we have, ano na lang ba? We have 4 hours left to 2025 na. Then, another year, another life. Let's enjoy the 2025 year. Yan guys. So naka-prepare na. Ayun. So yun lang yun guys. Ayan yun. Huwag katawa-tawa dyan.